Hi, little friends. I'm so happy you're here. Today I'm making a cozy clay pot with long, wiggly coils. We'll go slow and have fun. First, I have soft clay. It feels squishy like Play-Doh. I press it into a round ball. Squeeze, squeeze. Now I make a tiny pancake. Pat, pat, pat. This is our pot's bottom. Let's roll a snake. I tear off a little piece. I use my hands and roll on the table. Forward and back. Roll, roll. The snake gets long and smooth. Good job, little hands. Now I place the snake around the flat pancake. Curve it like a circle hug. Gently press the ends together. Tap, tap. That's one coil. Let's make another snake. Roll, roll. Put it on top of the first coil. Stack it like a spiral tower. Press softly with your finger. Press, press. We keep going. Roll a coil. Add it on top. Press it in place. Round and round we go. Look, our pot is growing taller. Time to make it smooth. Dip a finger in a tiny bit of water. Rub the cracks. Soft circles. Smooth, smooth. Hello, shiny pot. Let's decorate. Poke gentle dots with a pencil tip. Dot, line, dot. Draw little lines with a craft stick. Make happy patterns. Dot, line, dot. Now we let it rest. Air-dry clay needs a quiet nap. We wait until it's firm and dry. Waiting is part of making. When it's dry, you can paint it. Soft colors, happy colors. Brush, brush. You made a beautiful coil pot. I'm proud of you. Clap, clap. Let's clean our hands and our table. Thank you for making with me today. Bye-bye, little makers. See you next time.